everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to darken video in DaVinci Resolve 18, decrease brightness, easy DaVinci Resolve tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open DaVinci Resolve onto your device. And once you're already in and onto a project, just go ahead and import the clips that you want to darken the video. So as you can see, I've added some clips in here. So if you haven't done so into your end, just go ahead and add them here onto the timeline. So simply drag and drop it here onto the timeline. Right after, we need to head here onto this icon in here so that we could go ahead and darken this specific clip. So right after this, so once we're already in here, we have to click onto this icon in here to change some colors. Right after, it should go ahead and open the color wheels, click onto this other icon here that says log, and right after we should be able to see the offset here. So the offset in here, you should be able to go ahead and drag this to add some brightness, and then you'll just have to drag this down to go ahead and darken the video. So as you can see, it had gone ahead and darkened the clip that we have in here onto our end. So just go ahead and darken this as per your liking and do a quick preview once you're done. And that is how easy you could darken a video in DaVinci Resolve. If you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.